Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Pradhan. I'm the class teacher of nursery at TonsBridge School and I'm following level 1. We have been introduced with SmartK this year. SmartK is the thematic play activity based learning which aim at holistic development of children. The whole kit is divided into two kit, which is a child kit and teacher's kit, which becomes easy for us and kids to execute them. They have provided us with 10 theme book. Each theme is different from one another. Some requires art and craft more, while other require pencil or color. I really like the storybook. They have provided jigsaw puzzle with the storybook. Like once the teacher is done with the storytelling, the kids will be engaged in solving the jigsaw puzzle, which will help them recapitulate the learning. I also like their rhyme book where they have given the details to the teacher as how to recite a rhyme with action. So yeah, I'm really happy to see the systematic curriculum of the SmartK.